like to get a little bit darker. So what does that cost? And, the cost is not that big of a deal, but I need to bring a moving company in
Yeah.
to take out all of your
Every
contents.
every
And,
single thing.
and this home is like, you just don't move the stuff. You need professionals
Right.
to move that
Right.
and protect it.
Right.
And then it needs to be stored for up to a week. So can
And
we,
cared for, like
yeah,
climate controlled, all of the
100%.
things. The other thing, again, because I love the look of it, and actually we have a family member who learned this the hard way, themselves. And I love the look of a darker floor. I do.
Yes.
But when you can see every single particle,
yeah,
and as much as you're vacuuming and Swiffering or doing whatever you do to clean your floors, and that little, you just finished, and you worked hard on it, and then you could see the particle of dust or the hair from your head or your dog's hair or whatever, it will, well, I'll speak for us. That would drive me crazy.
Yeah.
Like I couldn't.
It's
I couldn't.
You're
and
walking.
I would rather
a
not.
lint falls
No,
off of
it
you,
would-
and you see it.
Yeah.